Doppler 12 Futurecast.
Well, we started off this month of September so far, first 2 days with well above average temperatures. But I think if you were looking back on the summer of 2014, and we just wrapped up meteorological summer, which runs from June 1st through August 31st, likely remembering this summer as one that's been filled with days without extreme heat or extreme humidity. And in fact, that's how it's been. Average temperatures about ½ degree cooler than normal this summer. And we ended up with almost 2 inches of rain less than normal. We only had 4 days at 90 degrees or higher. Now today, going to be well above average. We've already been seeing that this morning as we started off the day in the lower 70s. We're up to 84 in Providence with a hazy sun and cloud mixture. Southeast winds around 10 miles an hour and the humidity is very high. Smithfield's in the upper 80s right now. We're at 86 even in Tiverton. Temperatures in Seekonk in the middle 80s, and we have a warm and humid day all the way down to the coastline. Now radar across Rhode Island and southeastern Massachusetts is still quiet. Starting to see some showers and thunderstorms popping up over western and northern New England, and we're going to be keeping an eye on these as they try to track east this afternoon. I think most of the activity is going to end up around the Worcester and Boston area, but can't rule out an isolated storm, especially north of Providence. So for our threat tracker Futurecast, I have this afternoon in the moderate category for that potential for an isolated storm. Now, the big concerns with any of these storms that develop today would be their heavy rain, gusty winds, and dangerous lightning. So if you have the kids with practice after school today, certainly needing to keep an eye on the sky. Taking a look at the satellite and radar when we combine it. It's a cold front approaching our area. This front's going to represent the leading edge of less humid air. That'll move in for the daytime tomorrow, but out ahead of it, very hot, very humid. And at 2 o'clock this afternoon, this is what our Futurecast is showing. And notice that isolated shower or thunderstorm it has moving through mostly areas north of us. And then overnight, some fog developing. Potential is there for another isolated shower in the overnight hours as the front finally works through. And tomorrow skies will clear and we'll be back to sunshine. Another warm day tomorrow, but not as humid. Today, the 3 H's, hazy, hot, and humid. 88 at 3 o'clock in the afternoon, 85 at 5 this evening. Beaches will stay at around 80 degrees. We'll see a southwest wind gusting occasionally in the afternoon hours to about 20 miles an hour. In parts of our area, our coastline from Jamestown, Newport out towards southeastern Massachusetts under a moderate risk for rip currents today. On the bay, visibility is about 5 to 8 miles in that hazy sunshine. We're coming up on a high tide today at 2 o'clock this afternoon. Another mild night tonight, mid and upper 60s for overnight lows. Back to the upper 80s for tomorrow, but with less humid conditions. I have us dry, pleasant for Thursday near 85. Humidity is back on the rise by Friday and Saturday with cold front moving in, very humid out ahead of it. The potential is there for scattered shower or thunderstorm. Behind that front, we do get noticeably cooler air in here with high temperatures in the upper 70s by Sunday and Monday. So a warm stretch ahead. You have to keep that AC going and the pool's open.
All right, Michelle, thank you. Here's a quick look now.